Welcome viewers. This is a lecture on function. We are discussing one and on2 function in this lecture. So concept covered in these lectures are one function, on2 function, examples on one and on2 functions, and the most important thing, that is understanding of the function graphically. So let us start our discussion with one function. A function f from x to y, where x and y are two non-empty sets, is said to be one function or one-to-one if each pair of points x1 comma x2 belongs to x with x1 is not equal to x2. We have fx1 is not equal to fx2. So if we think about this function, this is our set x, this is y, f is a mapping from x to y. If we take x1 and x2, x1 is not equal to x2. Both are distinct. Then corresponding to x1, we get f of x1, and corresponding to x2, we get f of x2. If x1 is not equal to x2, then f of x1 is not equal to fx2. If this happens, then the function is said to be one function. Or we can say distinct element of domain has distinct image in codomain. So one function, आप कोई भी अलग एलिमेंट्स, डिफरेंट एलिमेंट आप डोमेन से लोगे तो उसके कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग आपको y में डिफरेंट इमेज मिलनी चाहिए. x1 की इमेज fx1 है तो x2 की इमेज fx1 नहीं होनी चाहिए. अगर ऐसा होता है देन इट इज नॉट वन. सो व्हाट इज वन? डिस्टिंक्ट एलिमेंट. कोई भी दो अलग एलिमेंट आप डोमेन से उठाओ तो उनकी जो इमेज आपको मिलेगी दैट इज आल्सो डिस्टिंक्ट. सो वन फंक्शन are also called functions, or are also called injective function. So in term of quantifier, it can be written as follows. So how we can write the definition of one function in terms of quantifier? F is a mapping from x to y. X and y are two non-empty set. Is one if and only if for all x1 comma x2 belongs to x, you can take any x1 and x2 from the domain x with x1 is not equal to x2. X1 is not equal to x2 such that f of x1 is not equal to f of x2. So this is how we can define the definition of one function in terms of quantifier. So let us discuss one example. Or how we can say the function is not one. If we if f is a mapping from x to y, then f, when we say f is not one. If f from x to y, x and y are two non-empty set, is not one. Is not one. So if now instead of for all, because when we take the negation, so for all, negation of for all is there exists. You can there exists at least, there is two element x1 and x2, at least two element x1 and x2 belongs to x with x1 is not equal to x2 such that their image f of x1 is equal to f of x2. If this thing happen, then the function is not one. कि आपने डोमेन से तो दो डिस्टिंक्ट एलिमेंट लिए, बट जो उनकी इमेज आपको मिली दोनों डिस्टिंक्ट एलिमेंट की, वो दोनों की सेम थी. So distinct element of domain has distinct image in codomain, then the function is 1 1. लेकिन यहाँ क्या हुआ, you can take distinct element in from the domain, but from in codomain we get the same output. So in this case we can say that the function is not 1 1. No example. F is a, in my previous lecture we have taken an example of function f from r plus. R plus is positive real number to real number, and how we can define that, the you can take any element from r plus, and r if we take x from r plus means domain, then it goes to its square root of x. So square root of x means, now this is our domain r plus, this is the codomain r, set of real number, and this is a function f from r plus to r. हमने यहाँ से कोई भी एक नंबर 4 लिया, you can take any element 4, but yes, so instead of taking square root, because this is not a function, so instead of taking this, we can take f of r to r. F is a mapping from r to r. X goes to its square of x. So if we take, now instead of r plus, it is r, and codomain is also r. So if we take any element -2 belongs to r, then its image is, its square is 4. But if we take 2 from the domain, then its image is also 4. So here -2 is not equal to 2. If this is x1 and this is x2, so here x1 is not equal to x2. But what happened? We get f of x1 is equal to f of x2, that is equal to 4. So such that x1 is not equal to x2 belongs to, for all x1 comma x2 belongs to R, with x1 is not equal to x2, such that f of -2 is equal to f of 2. So in this case we can say, for all x1 comma x2 belongs to R, so that x1 is not equal to x2, with x1 is not equal to x2, such that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. So in this case we can say the function is not 1 1. So this is not 1 1 function. So this is not 1 1 function. But how we can use the definition, how we can define, let us consider another example, then we prove this by definition. Example 2. Consider a function f from open interval 0 1 to set of real number r, defined by f of x is equal to 1 upon x. Then this function is 1 1 function, because you can take for any x1 comma x2 belongs to domain 0 1, if x1 is not equal to x2, if x1 is not equal to x2, then we have f of x1, then 1 upon x1 is also not equal to 1 upon x1 is not equal to 1 upon x2. You can take the reciprocal of distinct number, then its reciprocal is also distinct. And what is 1 upon x1? Because fx is equal to 1 upon x. If we take x in place of x, we can take x1, then f of x1 is 1 upon x1. So we can write that, or instead of writing here, this implies f of x1 is not equal to f of x2. So what by definition we can say, for any x1 comma x2 belongs to open interval 0 1, if x1 is not equal to x2, then f of x1 is not equal to f of x2. Then the function is 1 1. So this is, thus f is 1 1. F is 1 1. Similarly, if we consider a mapping f from R to R, set of real number to real number, defined by f of x is equal to x cube, then this function is also 1 1. Then it is also 1 1 function. You can try to solve this example by the same method that we have discussed in example number 2. If I get time, then I discuss the rigorous proof of this example. So in this way, we can define the function f is 1 1 or f is not 1 1. So suppose f is a mapping from x to y is 1 1, is 1 1. Then for any element x1 comma x2 belongs to x following holds. What are the following conditions? If x1 is not equal to x2, then f of x1 is not equal to f of x2. So let this be 1. So if function is 1 1, f from x to y is 1 1 function, then for any element x1 comma x2 belongs to x, if x1 is not equal to x2, then f of x1 is also not equal to f of x2. Now note that 1 is equivalent to, equation 1 is equivalent to its contrapositive. What is the contrapositive of this statement? You have already studied about contrapositive in 11th class. So what is the contrapositive of this statement? So contrapositive is, if P, if the given statement is if P then Q, then its contrapositive is if not Q then not P. So if P then Q, then its contrapositive is if not Q then not P. So now what is the contrapositive of equation 1? This is P. If P then Q, this is Q. So what is the negation of Q? F of x1 is not equal to f of x2. It means f of x1 is equal to f of x2. So now the contrapositive is, if f of x1 is equal to f of x2, then not P. Not P means P. What is P? X1 is not equal to x2. Then what is the negation of this? X1 is equal to x2. Yes. So in this way, we can define the 1 1 function by taking the contrapositive of the statement if P then Q. So in if we discuss some examples related to its contrapositive, and we have to take the function output fx1 is equal to f of x2, then we have to prove that x1 is equal to x2. We cannot take simultaneously you can take x1 is equal to x2 and you can prove f of x1 is equal to f of x2. This is not the way. If we start with x1 is not equal to x2, then we have to prove f of x1 is not equal to f of x2. And if we start with output, that is f of x1 is equal to f of x2, then we have to show that x1 is equal to x2. In this way, we can show that the function is 1, 1. So, or this let us think this is a proposition 1, a function f from x to y is 1, 1 if and only if for all x1 comma x2 belongs to x, f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. So in this way, you can use the definition of 1, 1 function. So this is the contrapositive of the given definition. So example, let us consider one example. We will show that the function is 1, 1 by using the proposition 1. Consider a function f from R to R, set of real number to real number, given y f of x is equal to 3x plus 2 for all x belongs x1 f of x is equal to 3x plus 2 for all x1 comma x2 belongs to R. We have f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Now what we have to prove? We have to show that x1 is equal to x2. Now what is fx1? Fx1 is 3x1 plus 2 is equal to 3x2 plus 2. So 2 and 2 cancel. So 3x1 is equal to 3x2. 3 and 3 cancel. So in this way, we get x1 is equal to x2. Thus f is 1, 1. So in this way, we can prove that the function is 1, 1 function. Now on to function. A function f from x to y is said to be onto function if for each y belongs to y. You can take any element from the codomain. Any element y belongs to y. There exists x belongs to x such that f of x y is equal to f of x or f of x is equal to y. F of x is equal to y. So in term of quantifier, we can write f from x to y is onto if for all y belongs to y, or we can sometimes we read given any. For all means given any y belongs to y, we use a bracket this for such that there exists x belongs to x such that y is equal to f of x. So in this way we can define the onto function, and onto function is also called surjective function. And onto function is also called surjective function. Now, in my previous lecture, when we talk about range of the function, then I put one question to all the student that what happen if range of function is equal to codomain. So now, if this is very important point, all of you, if you say that if the range of the function is equal to codomain, then the function become onto. So suppose f is a mapping from x to y is onto then range of the function f is equal to y. And if range of a function is equal to codomain, or we can say range of a function, range of f is equal to codomain, here y is codomain, then function become onto, then f become, or function become onto function. So sometime if we prove that the range of the given function is equal to the codomain, then we can directly say this function is onto function. Let us discuss one example related to onto function. F is a mapping from R to a set of real number to real number R, defined by f of x is equal to 3x plus 2. ये हमारे पास ये function f of x is equal to 3x plus 2. We have to show that f is onto. So how we can prove that this function is onto? You let any y belongs to R. This is the codomain. So take any y belongs to R. We need to show that or we need to find x belongs to R. This R is the domain. X belongs to R such that f of x is equal to 3x plus 2. So, and this is equal to y. So now let, if y belongs to R, then corresponding to this y we have to find x. So it means if 3x plus 2 is equal to y, then we have to find x is equal to y minus 2 upon 3. This belongs to the domain R. So then you can take any y from, if this is a set of, this is a real number R, this is domain and codomain, set of real number R. F is a function defined by 3x plus 2. If we take any y from the codomain, then corresponding to this y we have to find an x from the codomain, from the domain, such that this y is nothing but this is equal to f of x. So we have to, according to this function, if y is given, if we take any y from the real number R, then corresponding to this y we can find an element x which is equal to y minus 2 upon 3. So for example, अगर हम कोई यहाँ पर एलिमेंट 11 लेते हैं कि 11 हमने कोई रियल नंबर सेट किया, तो इस 11 के कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग मुझे एक रियल नंबर ढूंढना है जो डोमेन में बिलोंग करता है, x ढूंढना है, such that f of x is equal to y या y is equal to f of x. तो इसके कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग मुझे क्या नंबर मिलेगा? x इज इक्वल टू 11 माइनस y is 11 minus 2 upon 3, that is 9. 11 minus 2, 9 upon 3, that is 3. So corresponding to this 11 we get 3. So corresponding to this y is equal to 11, we get x is equal to 3 in the domain. Similarly, you can take any real number. You can take any real number, and corresponding to that real number, we can, if we are able to find an element x in the domain, then and f of x is equal to y, then the function is said to be onto. Or in other words, we can say if x is domain and y is codomain and f is a mapping from this, if a, b, c, d and e, these are 5 elements from the domain, and 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the 4 elements in the codomain. So if a is associated to 1, b is associated to 2, c is associated to 3, d is also associated to 3, e is associated to 4. अगर ऐसे कोई एक फंक्शन दिया हुआ है, now we can, what is the range of this function? The range of this function is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. And what is the codomain? Codomain is also 1, 2, 3, 4. Y is also. So in this case, range of this function is equal to codomain. If range is equal to codomain, then the function is onto function. But is this function 1, 1? No, this is not 1, 1, because C and D both are distinct element, but their image f of C and f of D are equal to 3. So this is not 1, 1, but this is an onto function. So this is an example of onto function which is not 1, 1. Similarly, if we take any set x and y, f is a mapping from x to y, and a, b, c, d, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the elements of domain and codomain. A is associated to 1, b is associated to 2, c associated with 3, and d associated with 4. Now in this case, what is the range? Range of this function is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the range. But क्या रेंज कोडोमेन के बराबर है? कोडोमेन में तो एक एलिमेंट और भी है, 5 भी है, but range is a subset of codomain. Range is a subset of codomain, but range is not equal to codomain. So therefore, f is not onto. F is not onto function. But here f is onto function. Is f is 1, 1 in this case? Yes, f is 1, 1. So this is an example of 1, 1 function which is not onto function. Let us discuss one more example. F is a mapping from set of integer to whole number. So integers, set of integers are all the numbers -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. And whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, and all the numbers. So this is domain, and W is codomain. So the function f is given by f of x is equal to f of x is equal to x square. F of x is equal to x square. Now, is this function onto function? So if we consider the domain, this is domain 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on up to infinity, -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on, minus infinity. This is set of integer, so this is z, and this is codomain. Codomain is number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on up to infinity. This is set of whole numbers. F is a mapping from z to w defined by f of x is equal to x square. Now, how we can prove this? So we try to discuss the rigorous proof of this function, how we can think geometrically, or how we can prove that this function is not onto function. So let us pick this number 2, because what is the definition of onto function? You can take any y from the codomain, and corresponding to that y we have to find an x belongs to the domain. But let us take 2 belongs to w, or we can say 2 belongs to the codomain. Now, but 2 belongs to w does not have a pre-image. 2 की कोई भी प्री इमेज आपको नहीं मिलेगी यहाँ पर. Now how we can prove this? We need to show that for any integer m or for any integer x, f of x is equal to x square that is not equal to 2. मतलब यहां से आप कोई भी इंटीजर लो और उस इंटीजर का स्क्वायर करो तो आपको 2 नहीं मिलना चाहिए. This is the way that we have to show that this function is not onto. क्या करेंगे हम? यहाँ से कोई भी एक इंटीजर पिक करो, कोई भी इंटीजर लो और उसका स्क्वायर करो, और वो स्क्वायर 2 के इक्वल नहीं आना चाहिए. और अगर हम अदर वर्ड्स में बोलें, 2 हमने कोई भी एलिमेंट 2 आपने कोडोमेन में पिक किया और 2 की प्री इमेज आपको ढूंढनी है. अगर वो नहीं मिल रही है, इट मींस द फंक्शन इज नॉट onto function. Now if mod of x is greater than 2, कोई वो greater than equal to 2, हमने वो नंबर्स लेके चलने हैं इंटीजर से यहाँ से जिनका मॉड जो है ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 2 आता है. तो मॉड क्या होता है? नेगेटिव नंबर का भी तो मॉड पॉजिटिव होता है. तो इसका मतलब मैं अगर मैं -2 लेता हूँ, मॉड -2, तो वो इक्वल टू 2 आ जाता है. तो ये भी इसको सेटिस्फाई करेगा. मॉड -3 लेता हूँ तो वो भी 2 ग्रेटर देन 2 आता है, क्योंकि मॉड -3 इक्वल टू 3, दैट इज ग्रेटर देन 2. मॉड ऑफ 3 भी ग्रेटर देन 2 आता है, मॉड ऑफ 4 भी ग्रेटर देन 2 आता है, मॉड ऑफ -4 भी ग्रेटर देन 2 आता है. यस, तो इन दिस वे ये सारे नंबर देखो, दीज आर ऑल नंबर्स जो यहाँ से और यहाँ से, इससे 2 से बड़े, 2 और 2 से बड़े, -2 और -2 से छोटे, ये सारे नंबर वो नंबर है जिनका मॉड अगर लें तो ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 2 आता है. then f of x is equal to x square. X square means you can take the mod of x square, both are same. And when we take the mod, this implies mod x greater than equal to 2, so mod x square is also greater than equal to 4, and 4 is greater than 2. 4 is greater than 2. It means we can write this is greater than 2, or because we can say this is greater than equal to 4, or this is greater than 2. ये सारे नंबर -2 से छोटे और 2 या 2 से बड़े, इन सब का जो स्क्वायर है वो क्या आ रहा है? हमें 2 से बड़ा मिल रहा है. इसका मतलब 2 से इक्वल टू नहीं मिल रहा है ना. तो अब कौन सी पॉसिबिलिटी बची? अब इनका स्क्वायर, तो इन सारे नंबरों का स्क्वायर, इन सब सारे नंबरों का स्क्वायर क्या है? 2 से ज्यादा है, तो ये नंबर तो 2 के इक्वल नहीं आए. हमें क्या ढूंढना है? एक्स स्क्वायर. हमें जिनका स्क्वायर एक्स स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 2 आए. अगर ऐसा आता है तो इट मींस दिस फंक्शन इज ऑन टू फंक्शन. इट मींस हमें, बट वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट एक्स स्क्वायर इज नॉट इक्वल टू 2. तो इनका तो नहीं आया, इसका मतलब -2, -3, -4 एंड सो ऑन, 2, 3, 4 एंड सो ऑन, इन सब नंबर इंटीजर का स्क्वायर किया, वो 2 के इक्वल नहीं आया. दिस इज ग्रेटर देन 2. अब कौन से नंबर बचे डोमेन में? डोमेन में बचे -1, नो x इज इक्वल टू हमारे पास -1, 0 और 1, 3 नंबर बचे। अब इनका स्क्वायर करते हैं, तो इनका जब स्क्वायर किया तो इनका स्क्वायर क्या आएगा, -1 का स्क्वायर तो 1 होता है, 0 का स्क्वायर 0 और 1 का स्क्वायर 1, तो हमारे पास तो 2 ही नंबर आ रहे हैं। इसका मतलब ये भी तो 2 के इक्वल नहीं आया। इसका मतलब अगर इस केस में भी f of x जो है that is not equal to 2, it means we can take any integer। हमने हर एक इंटीजर यहाँ से पिक की और देखा कोई भी ऐसी इंटीजर नहीं है जिसको स्क्वायर करने से हमें 2 मिल रहा है। इसका मतलब कोड मेन में y हमें मिला, इस y की कोई भी प्री इमेज यहाँ पर, कोई प्री इमेज यहाँ एग्जिस्ट नहीं कर रही है। अगर इस 2 की प्री इमेज एग्जिस्ट नहीं की तो इसका मतलब रेंज कोड मेन के बराबर नहीं होगी, और रेंज कोड मेन के इक्वल नहीं हुई, देन फंक्शन इज नॉट ऑन टू फंक्शन। So in this way we can prove that this function f of x is equal to x square defined from set of integer to whole number is not onto function। आप you can take also 3। आप इसी क्वेश्चन को 3 के लिए करना। 3 के लिए क्या कैसे करोगे आप, this is basically this is a rigorous proof how you can think about function f from z to w defined by f of x equal to x square is not onto। So in this way, if we take x is equal to 3, or we can take y is equal to 3, because x हम डोमेन में ले रहे हैं, y हम कोडोमेन, y equal to 3 belongs to w, then corresponding to this y we are not able to find any x in the domain z। So इस केस में क्या करेंगे, हमें ऐसा नंबर ढूंढना है जिसका स्क्वायर f of x is equal to x square that is not equal to 3। कोई भी ऐसा नंबर इंटीजर नहीं है जिसका स्क्वायर जो है वो 3 के इक्वल आता है। तो हम क्या करेंगे, mod of x greater than equal to 3, वो सारे नंबर 3 और 3 से ज्यादा आगे वाले वो नंबर देखेंगे। तो अगर हम इनका स्क्वायर करेंगे mod of x का स्क्वायर, तो दिस इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 9 एंड 9 इज ग्रेटर देन 3। तो इट मींस अगर हम 3 या 3 से आगे के सारे नंबर देखते हैं तो उनका स्क्वायर तो 3 नहीं आ रहा है। तो यहाँ पर ये केस जो है, यहाँ कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन आ गई, ये सारे नंबर। अब हमारे पास कौन से एलिमेंट बचे, अब इस केस में हमारे पास अब बचे हैं x, कौन से बचे, -2, -1, 0, 1 एंड 2। अब आप इन नंबरों का स्क्वायर करो, f of x इज इक्वल टू x स्क्वायर। इस केस में x स्क्वायर क्या आएगा, -2 का स्क्वायर 4, वो यही 2 का स्क्वायर भी होगा, -1 का स्क्वायर 1, यही 1 का स्क्वायर भी होगा, एंड 0। तो इस केस में भी ऐसा कोई नंबर नहीं मिला जो हमें f of x हमें 3 के बराबर दे। f of x इज नॉट इक्वल टू 3, इट मींस हमें 3 की प्री इमेज भी नहीं मिल रही है। सो इन दिस वे अगर हम इसको ज्योमेट्रिकली देखें, सो यहाँ दिस इज set of integer domain and this is set of whole number codomain। f is a mapping from z to w। यहाँ हमने if we take 2 from whole number and corresponding to this 2 there does not exist any x in the set of integer that is domain z such that f of x is equal to 2। so we are not able to find any x in this case। so similarly 3 there does not exist any x in the domain। similarly you can take 5, there does not exist any element in the domain x whose image is 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on। so we are taking a particular case for 2 and also discuss this for 3। you can take any other element 5, 7, 11, 13 or so on। so you try to think about this for 5 and then for 7, for let y is equal to 5 and corresponding to this y you have to find that there does not exist any element whose square is 5। so this is the way how we can think about the function, that function is not onto function। so now the last and most important thing, understanding the graph, understanding the function understanding the function graphically. So first we think one function. F is a mapping from set of real number R to set of real number R. Is 1 if and only if and only if every horizontal line intersect the graph F at most once, कि कोई भी आप हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन ग्राफ ड्रॉ करते हो तो ग्राफ को वो ज्यादा से ज्यादा एक बार कट कर, अगर ऐसा होता है देन द फंक्शन इज वन फंक्शन. ऑन टू फंक्शन, f is a function from set of real number to real number r is on to if and only if every horizontal line intersects the graph at least once, So let us think about this. We have discussed one example. F of x is equal to, f is a mapping from open interval 0 1 to set of real number r defined by f of x is equal to 1 upon x. So graph of this function is like this. This is 0, this is 1 infinity, this is minus infinity, this is y-axis, this is x-axis, and this is 1. So the graph of this function is like this. So if we take any horizontal line, horizontal मतलब parallel to x axis, कोई भी आप लाइन ड्रॉ करो पैरेलल टू एक्स एक्सिस तो ग्राफ को वो एक ही बार कट करे. अगर ऐसा ज्यादा से ज्यादा एक बार कट करे, है ना, नहीं भी कट करे, देखो यहाँ पर अगर मैं यहाँ से ड्रॉ करता हूँ तो वो कट नहीं कर रही है. इट मीन इन दिस केस अगेन एटमोस्ट वर्ड यूज किया है इसमें, है द हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन इंटरसेक्ट द ग्राफ एटमोस्ट वन, ज्यादा से ज्यादा एक बार, अगर नहीं भी करती है देन इट्स ओके, बट एक से ज्यादा अगर वो कट करती है, एक से ज्यादा बार ग्राफ को कट करती है, देन इट इज नॉट वन. So if we take another horizontal line, then again we can see this intersect the graph at most 1. So this function is 1 and we have already proved this. So and in onto function, f from r to r is onto function if and only if every horizontal line intersect the graph at least once. So f of x is equal to if we take if we consider the case that f is a mapping from set of real number R to set of real number R, defined by f of x is equal to 3x plus 2. So basically it is a straight line. It passes through minus 2 by 3. This is minus 2 by 3. It is a straight line. It passes through minus 2 by 3. So this is f of x is equal to 3x plus 2. Now if we take any horizontal line, horizontal means parallel to x-axis. What happened? This cut the graph at least one. एक बार कट, कम से कम एक बार, एक से ज्यादा भी कट करे then it's okay. It cut the graph. But यहाँ at most once भी आप देखोगे कि ज्यादा ज्यादा एक ही बार कट कर रही है वो. So this is also an example of 1-1 function and onto function. So this is 1-1 and this is 1-1 and onto function. So we will discuss about 1-1 and a function which is both 1-1 and onto. The function is said to be bijection. We will discuss in the next video about bijection map. Now if we take f of x is equal to x square, I'm mapping f from set of real number R to set of real number R. So this is our domain. So basically we take set elements from the set X, and this is our domain. X-axis is the domain and this y-axis is codomain. You can say this is codomain. So हमें एक प्रूफ क्या करना होता है कि अगर रेंज कोडोमेन के इक्वल आ जाए then the function is onto function. But in this case the graph of this function is like this. This is the graph of f of x is equal to x square. So range of this function is, अगर आप रेंज देखोगे इस फंक्शन की क्या है, what is the range of this function? You can, आप देखो यहाँ से कि रेंज इस फंक्शन की कहाँ से 0 से स्टार्ट हो रही है और कहाँ तक जा रही है, इन्फिनिटी, पॉजिटिव इन्फिनिटी. लेकिन डोमेन, कोडोमेन क्या था हमारा, कोडोमेन में तो ये सारे नेगेटिव नंबर भी तो थे. क्या सारे के रेंज हमारे पास कितनी आई है, रेंज हमारे पास है सिर्फ पॉजिटिव और वी कैन से नॉन नेगेटिव रियल नंबर. ये हमारे 0 से लेके, इन दिस केस रेंज ऑफ f is equal to close interval 0 to infinity. Close interval 0 to infinity. So this range is contained in codomain. Range is contained in codomain, that is set of real number. So in this case function is not, f is not onto. Yes, how, when this function become onto? Now this is again a question to all of you. When this function become onto, if we consider the codomain as R plus union 0, set of all non-negative real numbers. अगर हम इतना ही लेके चलें तो उस केस में क्या होगा, ये हमारे कोडमेन क्या होगी, दिस इज द कोडमेन, दिस इज द कोडमेन, एंड or codomain is equal to range. In this case the function become onto function. So we can make the function onto function by reducing the domain, but it become a function. First it become a function, then we talk about that whether it is onto or 1-1. So this function is, if we think about this function graphically, is this function 1-1 function? What is your opinion? Is this function 1-1? No, this function is not 1-1. बिकॉज अगर हम कोई हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन लें तो वो ज्यादा से ज्यादा एक बार कट करनी चाहिए थी ग्राफ को, बट यहाँ क्या देख रहे हो आप, ग्राफ को 2 पॉइंट पे कट कर रही है. इट मींस दिस फंक्शन इज नॉट 1-1 फंक्शन, बट दिस इज ऑनटू फंक्शन. ऑनटू कब हुआ, जब हमने रेंज को रिड्यूस किया, कोडमेन को रिड्यूस किया, आर से हमने आर प्लस यूनियन 0. इट मींस नॉन नेगेटिव, हमने जब नॉन नेगेटिव रियल नंबर्स हमने कोड में लिए, then the function become onto, as well as the function is not 1-1 because distinct element of codomain domain आप दो डिस्टिंक्ट एलिमेंट ले रहे हो, it is -2 and 2, but its image, both the image of both the non distinct elements are not equal. F of 2 is not equal to f of -2. So in this way we can discuss about 1 function, onto function, and examples related to 1 and onto functions, and how we can think about 1 and onto function graphically. So this is all about for today's lecture. You think about some more examples related to 1 and onto function. Try to solve it geometrically, graphically, and also try to find out the rigorous proof of these results. So thank you. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Stay healthy.